Hey everybody, I wanted to show you what I needed to do with my water trough. So I got these two water troughs right here. There's one somebody playing in it. And they had some leaks on the edges. They were full, they were used for plants. And so when I filled them up with water, they were leaking on the edges. And so I looked up and seen what everybody was doing. Nobody could do it. Only one person showed me something, and this is what I did, and this is what it's called. It is called PC11, and it's a mix. It's a 1-to-1 ratio. I'm not going to show you how to mix it because I mean all you do is mix one. One is a kind of a greenish color, and the other one's a whitish color. They're not going to freeze if I leave the thing open, but once you mix it together, you got about 30 minutes to use it. And I did this yesterday. You can see I did a little bit on the outside. I ran out of time before it got dark, and on the inside I just made it all the way around. That's where the leak was when I was looking at it. And so I let it dry overnight. It's got a cure time. In Texas it's really hot, so it dries pretty quick. And I tested it this morning and there were no leaks, and I emptied this one out already, and this one we're having a little bit of fun before I finish the outside. But it did the trick. It works. It's way better than that Flex Seal or anything else. I bought this at Home Depot. I don't get paid for this obviously, but it's called PC11. Mix it together. There's what I did. This is the one that I use. It's super hard already because it froze overnight, but the ones individually, that's my one little tip. When you mix them, use a separate knife for every single one of them, because then you'll mix the contents and then you ruin your whole little batch. I bought the 16 ounce and the 16 ounce version to make enough. I'm gonna finish this up. I went all the way around. All I need is just a little bit more up to right there. It's not leaking, but might as well finish it if I started it. That's all I got, guys. So go out and buy PC11 if you want to fix your water troughs. I'm gonna send these out for the goats, and it also is what do you call it, animal safe. So it's good. It doesn't leave toxins in the water for the animals. Thank you. Bye. All right, we're back. Just here to show you the water troughs. They are still working after a couple weeks. I did put the PC11 in the middle. It's kind of drizzling right now, but there's been no leakage when it was dry beforehand. I should have done it then, but I wanted to wait a couple weeks. It's been about 2.5 weeks, 3 weeks since I've put it on. So it's still sticking. It's still doing good. No leaks, no nothing. So this stuff is great. Again, it's PC11. It is marine usable, so it's good for underwater things. It is animal safe. If you remember, like I said, I even did the outsides. So everything works out great. Use 1-to-1 ratio. It's a mix. It's an epoxy. It's not going to be like JB Weld where it's real hard. It's going to be kind of like a paste. So go ahead and buy it if you need to fix your water troughs. I use it for my livestock. They're over here picking on some cactus. I don't know why, but here we go. Here's my guys. And if you got any questions, put it on the comments. Thanks a lot, guys. I'm out.